Satsang, a guided form of meditation, is what we practice here. I feel one of its strengths is its open and flexible nature. Open means that it is adaptable by people from various backgrounds, cultures, religions. Now, if we really think that a system is open, it has to have certain basic fundamental traits which is adoptable by people from different cultures and various different backgrounds. So while satsang has evolved in the northern part of India for centuries, our founder, Dr. Chaturbhuj Sahay Ji, refined it, researched it, and established more open system. That system has opened this approach to people from various stratas of life, various backgrounds in India. There is no differentiation or there is no restrictions that would so that it only applies to a certain caste or creed or religion, etc. Its openness is also grounded in the basic concepts like meditating on light. Like it's a guided meditation, but still there is no concept of a guru or the kind of traditional restrictions that were found in traditional ways of even teaching meditation to anyone who was interested. This was opened up, free for all, in the northern part of India in 1930s. It was talked about in colloquial Hindi language so people could understand even if they were not educated. Now, the same concept and principle is being applied to the English-speaking audiences. It's an open system, a very simple, very effective, and a modern way to achieve inner strength, to get the benefits of meditation, physical, mental, and for a higher level of consciousness. And not just that, there is a guided meditation aspect of this, where a guide would help you when needed in a non-intrusive way. You can achieve that through reading articles on the internet. You can achieve that by in-person meetups. You can achieve that by reading some very simple and basic booklets which would define the basic concepts as well as the obstacle to developing such a practice that will help build inner strength that will provide lasting peace and happiness.